Hi loves, I'm Bhargavi. Welcome to my channel. First Indian festival of 2021 is just around the corner. Yes, I'm referring to Pongal festival. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to get ready for this festival. Before that, if you are new here or this is the first time you are watching my video, please consider to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you will be the first to watch my videos. So guys, if you are ready, let's straight jump into the tutorial. Off camera, I have done my eyebrows. Now I'm going to apply Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Concealer in shade Warm Beige, code 145 as my eyeshadow base. First, I apply the concealer with the applicator which comes with the concealer. Then I blend with my finger. Before the concealer start to crease, I quickly set the concealer with some translucent powder. Before begin with the eye makeup, I place the sticky tape at the corner of my eyes, taking this brown shade as my transition shade from Revolution Reloaded Vitality palette and apply it with small blending brush from Wet n Wild. I'm dragging the shade from outer corner to my inner corner. As usual, I continue to build the color until I'm happy with the intensity before move to the next shade. Meanwhile, let me share some information about this festival. Pongal is a 4-day long harvest festival celebrated in Tamil Nadu, which falls in the month of Thai, which is the January to February season. Pongal festival also considered as a Thanksgiving festival to Surya, the sun god and giver of life, for the blessings of a rich harvest. Once I'm happy with the intensity of the first transition, then I'm going to take this cocoa shade from the same palette and I'm going to press at the outer corner. Then I'm going back to the same palette and taking this black eyeshadow and press above the cocoa shade to make the outer corner look more intensity. Following, I'm going to take a small amount of concealer which we used as the eyeshadow base earlier to clean up the remaining lid space. This is to create a soft cut crease. Let the concealer dry this time naturally. I'm not going to set with some translucent powder before apply this gold shimmer shade. If you set the concealer with some powder, it will take away the stickiness of the concealer and you might have difficulties to apply the shimmer shade on top of it. Right now, I'm actually pressing the gold shimmer shade on the lid space. This is actually a highlighter shade from Milani Jade Gilded palette. Add some drama to this eye makeup. I'm going to apply some glitter on top of it, taking Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in shade Golden Eye and press little amount on top of it. Let's move to the base makeup. First, for the moisturizer, I'm applying moisturizer cream from First Aid Beauty on both of my face and neck and gently massage it. And for the primer today, I'm using Urban Decay Quick Fix Hydra Charge Complexion Prep Priming Spray. Once it's dry, I'm going to apply the foundation. The one I'm using today is liquid foundation from L'Oreal Paris in shade Nude Amber and the code is N7. This foundation gives you medium coverage but it helps to create a dewy base too. Then I'm taking a damp beauty blender to blend the foundation on my face and a foundation brush to blend the product on the neck. For your convenience, I'm going to list down all the products whichever I use for this tutorial in the description bar, and I'm also going to leave my social media link in the description bar so that you can chat with me and you can know about me, what am I doing outside of YouTube. Now I'm taking the same concealer and start apply under my eyes, bridge of my nose, forehead and chin. Again, I'm taking the same damp beauty blender to blend the concealer. Once done with the concealer blending, I'm quickly going to set my face with some translucent powder. The one I'm using today is from Laura Mercier. Basically, I'm just going to apply the powder on the areas which I apply concealer. To lock the base makeup, again I'm taking Urban Decay Quick Fix Hydra Charge Complexion Prep Priming Spray. You can use this product before and after your makeup, to prep your skin before makeup and also to lock your makeup, and it also can be used anytime to fresh your skin or at night before your skincare routine. Next, to achieve the sun-kissed look, I'm taking Benefit Mini Hola Bronzer and apply all over my face to create a natural looking contour. For my blusher, I'm going to mix these two shades from Revolution 4K blush palette in peach. I'm going to apply the blusher upwards so that my face will look slimmer rather than just only on the apple of my cheeks. Now it's time for us to complete the eye makeup. I'm going to blend the same first transition shade under my lower lashes using Sephora pencil brush. Then I'm taking L'Oreal Paris Infallible Black Crayon Pencil to tighten up my lower waterline. Next, I'm going to curl my natural lashes off camera. Then I'm going to apply a coat of mascara. The product I'm using today is from Sephora Size Up Mascara. This is actually a vegan product. Sephora did a good job because they are coming up with vegan products, vegan cosmetic products. I'm taking this champagne shade from Revolution Reloaded Vitality palette and apply in my inner corner to make my eyes look bigger. And finally, I'm going to apply a red lipstick from Sephora. So guys, this is the completed look. I hope you all enjoyed this week tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to give me thumbs up, share my video and leave your comment, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. It will be very useful for the growth of my YouTube channel. And I will see you guys with a brand new tutorial next Tuesday. Happy Pongal to all of you and thank you so much for your support.